Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's world, and I hope you guys enjoyed your Thanksgiving. I hope you ate well, enjoyed family and friends, got your rest on. Now the weekend is here. We're trying to get you set up, give you options to choose from, and you've been screaming for free watch faces. Well, here it is. These two watch faces are going to be free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. They're by Tina, and Tina definitely gets down on some watch faces, people. So let's start off with number one. We got a nice casual watch face for, let's say, the daytime through the afternoon, and it looks really good. It's called Tina Dial 680. I like the look. I love the design, so I'm giving a 3 thumbs up in the door for this watch face. Now, in the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. It's going to be dimmed down quite a bit in the AOD mode, but you'll still be able to see your time at a glance with no problem. Now, what I like about the watch face is the design. You got a smaller clock up at the top. It is analog, and I like the mesh design that's in the background, and the index doesn't look bad at all, and it blends in with your heart rate info over here and your step status info there. You got your battery meter right up under your clock, and you get your date right up under that. I love the design of that. Tina really put the work in on this watch face. I think it looks awesome. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know how many thumbs up will you give this watch face. So with that, stay tuned and let's check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. Now this one is called Tina Dial 662. If you're going out tonight or you're going to be dressing super casual, this is the watch face you want to play. Now in the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. It's just going to be dimmed down. The background is going to be a lot blacker. It's going to look really nice. It's an analog watch face / digital, which means you get the best of both worlds, and it's a great looking watch face. Now, once the watch face is on, the design is nice. I like the look, and for those of you all who like to keep up with your steps, you'll be able to get your step info there along with the battery info, your day and your date. Down at the bottom, it has a nice legible digital time, which I like. And I like the combination of colors, the orange, the black, the white, really brings the watch face forward, and it looks good. Now, it is not interactive, but it's still a nice looking casual watch face for the weekend. Now, the hands look really nice and stylish as well. You got a nice second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. So I'm liking the design. Tina did really good with this one. And again, people, it is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. You cannot beat this with a baseball bat. All right, you all, I hope you guys are ready for the weekend. I'm hoping you're enjoying your extended weekend. And with that, people, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you're doing any shopping, support the affiliate link that I got down in the description box down below. That's going to help the channel out a lot. And subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. And I see you all again at the next video. Take care.